Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can integrate Xero with Netsuite, so let's get started. To connect Xero with Netsuite, the easiest method is by using Zapier because it allows both platforms to communicate automatically. Once you open Zapier, the first thing you need to do is choose a trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. For example, you can select New Record in Netsuite, so that whenever a new record is created, the automation begins. After selecting the trigger, the next step is to add an action. The action is what Zapier will do after the trigger fires. For example, you can choose Add items to existing sales invoice in Xero, or any other Xero action that fits your workflow. This means that whenever Netsuite detects something new, Zapier will automatically update or create the matching information inside Xero. Once your trigger and action are set, simply connect both accounts to Zapier. Zapier will link Netsuite and Xero together and handle everything in the background. After the connection is complete, your workflow becomes fully automated, no manual updates, no double entry, and no switching between systems. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.